In this video, I am going to tell you how to self-host n8n in your PC for free. The first step is to open this link. I will share you this link in the video description. After opening this link, you need to scroll down and you need to click on this Windows Installer MSI. After that, you need to click on this Windows Installer MSL and it will get installed in your PC. I have just installed it, and after that you need to restart your PC after installing this Windows installer. After restarting your PC, you need to open this command prompt which I have run. So first of all, you need to run first command. So first of all, you need to write simply cmd. You can see here cmd. So after that it will show like this. Next, you need to type npm install n8n minus g, and you need to wait, and it will do all things like me. You can see everything is done. It took me around 10 minutes to complete the installation of n8n. After that, after installing it, you just need to run n8n. After doing that, you need to run one command n8n. I run this command, that's it. And then it asks me to enter this local host. I can enter it in any browser like Chrome, or I simply need to press O and it will open up in my default browser. So I just typed here this command localhost. I will share you this command as well in the video description, so check out the description as well, and to enter my email ID, name, password. Fill out this information, all this information. What is the best to find your company? So select all this and click on get started. Click on send me first license key, so you can check your email ID. Your license key is on the way in your email, and then you can click on start from scratch, and then you can start it from here. You can now start the execution everything using this local host. Make sure to copy this command and paste it to your system, and whenever you want to open it, simply open this command and start your automation. I hope friends, this is free of cost. I have not paid anything, and everything is free on your PC. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just turn the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.